Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for being here. Today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial. This was requested by deepago, who is actually a very good friend of mine, and can we just put it out there that she is the one person with the biggest heart that this planet does not deserve. She's a sweet person, a very sensitive person, and a very caring person. So maybe one day I'll have a little interview with her and she can come and you guys can meet her as well. So, alright, let's start.
I'm going to be using these e.l.f. brushes that you can find easily at Walmart for like $3. These are the palettes I'll be using, the NYX Ultimate Edit as well as the e.l.f. Again, you can find those at Walmart. The NYX goes for about $12, the e.l.f. is about $4. I'm going to start with the concealer with a lighter shade than my natural skin tone. The beauty blender has to be a little bit damp. My video's not that good quality because this is the first time I'm actually doing a video for tutorial makeup. I'm going to use this brow pencil. I like putting an arch to the brow. I feel that it opens up my face. You can use any brow pencil that you're comfortable with, or if you have a favorite. I like that it has a brush, so I can brush out my eyebrows and blend in the color as well. You can use any tape. I'm going to do an edgy eye makeup. You can angle it with your nose and any makeup brush, and make sure to tap down the tape right down, otherwise the color will bleed through. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Eye Crease Brush. And the first color I'm going to use from the e.l.f. palette is this nice skin tone beige. And put it right at the crease line. Then I'm going to use the e.l.f. Blending Eye Brush, which is a little bit thicker. And I'm going to go with the pink from the pink and purple from the NYX palette. I'm going to put the pink in the inner corner and the purple on the outer corner. Prefer dabbing. It seems to pick up on the color more. It's hard to tell on the video, but I promise the end result is good. I put some of the purple as well on the waterline. I'm going to use a darker color from the e.l.f. palette with the eyeshadow brush, which has a nice angle to it, and put it on the outer edge. You can use as much eyeshadow as you'd like, as long as it's the color or the saturation that you're looking to get. I'm going to use the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner to give myself a nice wing. When you remove it, it gives it a nice straight edge. As you can see, the eyeliner didn't go on too straight, so I'm going to freehand the cat eye. Also, you can see at the bottom, it didn't go on too proper, so you can always use a Q-tip and makeup remover and fix that. I use the pink as well as the black on the waterline. With the highlighter, I highlight the eyebrows. And I use Covergirl liquid foundation, which is my favorite. I don't think there's a right or wrong way of putting on foundation. I tend to dot. It's not something I think about. I just do that. And again, with the damp beauty blender, I blend it all in. Make sure to go down towards your chin and neck just so it all looks blended. I use a Rimmel concealer in a darker shade. It's not actually a blush, but it gives me the color that I'm going for. I do the same to give my nose a little bit of a contour to make it look thinner. And then I highlight that as well. I use the e.l.f. Putty Blush to highlight the cheekbones with some color. And I also highlight with the e.l.f. in the inner corners. I'm going to be using two lipsticks, a red as well as a purple. So I'm going to put red in the center, purple on the outer edge, and rather than a original lip liner, I'm going to use a blue eyeliner. The lip liner is one of my favorite makeup brushes. I can't live a day without it. It's perfect for blending in all the colors. I use pressed powder to remove all the shine on my face. And some mascara. I decided not to go with falsies. My sister discovered that you can put eyeliner on the upper waterline, which gives the eye a different effect. It's like a finishing look. And that's it. The pictures will turn out better than the video. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.